Ever wonder how much your trusty Sony A7 IV has truly worked? Understanding your camera's shutter count is like knowing the mileage on a car. It tells you a lot about its usage and potential lifespan for your Sony Alpha A7 IV. This vital piece of information can help you assess its condition, especially if you're considering selling it or just want to keep track of its performance. So, how do you actually find this elusive number? Unfortunately, Sony doesn't make it immediately obvious within the camera's internal menus. That means we'll need to rely on a few clever workarounds. The most common and often easiest method involves your JPEGs. After taking a photo with your A7 IV, transfer that image file to your computer. Now, you'll need a reliable online tool or a piece of reputable third-party software designed for checking camera shutter counts. Simply search for a Sony Alpha A7 IV shutter count checker online. Most of these tools will have a simple upload function. Navigate to where you saved your JPEG file and upload it. The tool will then analyze the EXIF data embedded within your image. And voila! Your shutter count should be displayed prominently. When you see that number, what does it mean? Generally, cameras are rated for a significant number of actuations, often well over 100,000 or even 200,000 for cameras like the A7. For a lower count suggests less wear and tear, which is great for resale value and indicates a potentially healthier camera. Regularly checking your shutter count is a smart part of camera maintenance. It helps you understand its history and make informed decisions about its future.